Attention all stations, this is control. You are reminded that there is a controlled post-firing program which must be rigidly adhered to. Those observers...
The first round was a device of nominal yield. The cloud rises to several thousand feet before being carried away.
When they then go to roadside car park for movement instruction by Mr. Reeville.
This Canberra aircraft has flown through the cloud to obtain samples of cloud-borne fission products. Special filters are removed from the aircraft. The samples will be analyzed by the Radiochemical Measurements Group. Personnel are briefed on routes and timings by health physics staff before entering into the fallout area. All movements in this area are regulated from health control. After dressing in protective clothing, all entrants are issued with personal dosimeters at this checkpoint. They then proceed to the yellow car park where vehicles are kept for use in the contaminated area. At the airstrip, a helicopter takes off for an aerial survey of the site of the burst. This is the scar on the desert made by the first explosion in the Buffalo series. These are some of the results of the explosion on target items.